Hi dear students of class 1. I'm happy to meet with you. How are you? I think that you are safe and well at home with your parents. Isn't it? Okay, so I came in front of you with another 3 sections to teach you today. That is from Junior English, page number 57, Junior English, page number 8, and then another section. We will go through another section, page number 85. Okay, so dear students, without delay or without wasting time, let us get ready and go to our lesson. Let us have our lesson. Okay, you can see your sheets. You can take your book, pen, pencil, etc. How you feel easy, so you get ready. Okay. Section A, Junior English, section A, from page 57. Here, write the opposites. So previously we have learned or have taken video class about this, and this is another. So you please get ready. Opposite: ugly, pretty. Ugly, pretty. Then thin, thick. Thin, thick. Then wrong. Very often we use this word wrong, and then right. Wrong, then right. R-I-G-H-T. This is not writing, not that right. This is right. Tick. Okay, then under. Something's under. Then here over. Okay, then number 5, still. It is used mainly on food. That food is fresh, and opposite still. Fresh. Then take. Take, something you take and something you give. Then down, up. Up. Then bottom. Bottom. Then top. Okay, then dirty. Dirty, clean. Clean. Then finish, begin. Begin. Then dry, wet. Dry, wet. Then high, low. L-O, W, low. Okay, so once again we can repeat. Opposite: ugly, pretty, thin, thick, wrong, right, under, over. Then still, fresh, take, give. Then down, up, bottom, top. Then dirty, clean, finish, begin, dry, wet, high, low. Okay, first section completed. So let us go to second section of the same book, page number 82. Okay, what to do here? In place of bold type word, write a similar word. Bold type. But here one thing, students, please carefully listen, that in the exam time I won't give you like this. Instruction is okay, bold type, but here I cannot make you understand which one is bold. That is why I underline. But in the exam time it will be same, bold type. Okay, let us continue. The main street was very broad. Okay, broad. It's another word but same meaning. Broad, wide. White. Okay, then second one, we stopped to gaze in the shop window. What? Gaze means look. Look. Okay, then third one, Colin could hardly raise his arm. Raise. Another word, lift. L-I-F-T. Lift. Okay, then fourth one, the cobbler will repair my shoes today. Repair. Another word, mend. Mend. Okay, then fifth one, will you assist me with my sums? Assist me. Very often we listen that, oh, he is my or she is my assistant. Who helps? Okay, so here assist, help. Okay, then sixth one, sixth number, the Duke is a very wealthy man. Wealthy, who has lot of things. Another word, rich. Rich. Okay, one thing I want to correct here. In the sheet I have given rich spelling mistake. R-E-A-C-H like this. But that is wrong. You please make it correct. Rich means same word of wealthy. Rich, R-I-C-H, not R-E-A-C-H. That is wrong. Okay, remember. Okay, let us go to next 7 number. William had all his sums correct. Correct. Another, right. Yes, right. Then 8th number, the reply to the question was very short. Reply. Another word, answer. Answer. Okay, then second last, the shepherd's dwelling was a small cottage. Dwelling, where we live. So what is called? Home. Dwelling, home. Home. Okay. Number 10. The sailor said farewell to his wife. Farewell at the last time when we leave each other, then we use this word. So another word, farewell, goodbye. Goodbye. Okay, so let us completed this section. Let us go to another section. Section A, things that are alike, page number 85. Okay, here, as cold as. So, like what? Cold, like ice. Okay, then as white as snow. Then as good as gold. Gold, everybody likes gold. Then as warm as toast. T-O-A-S-T, toast. Okay, then as in as a rack. R-A-K-E, rack. R-A-K-E. Okay, then number 6, as heavy as lead. As heavy as lead. Lead. As light as a feather. Bird's feather. feather. Okay, then as sweet as what? Honey. As sweet as honey. Okay, then as white as a mouse. Then last number 10, as slow as a snail. Snail. So yeah, don't be lazy or slow as snail. Okay, dear students, no more today. These 3 sections today we have completed. I think that you understood. You please get ready for the final exam, and as you have given the sheet, you please go through several times, try your best. Wish you all the best. Okay, bye.